Terra Mare Morning Restore, that wellness powder that's been floating around online, promising to boost your energy, digestion, immunity, hormones, basically your entire morning in one scoop. Sounds pretty amazing, right? But the big question is it actually legit or just another overpriced celebrity-backed health trend? Let's start with the basics. The brand is backed by Marisa Tomei. Yep, that Marisa Tomei. And it's sold on their official site, terramare.com. Now, I checked the domain history, and guess what? It's been around since 1997. That's a major green flag. This isn't some fly-by-night site that just popped up last month. The website itself looks clean and professional. They're transparent about the ingredients, they list a real US address, have customer support, and even offer a 90-day money-back guarantee. They also say their products are made in FDA-registered, GMP-certified facilities and are third-party tested, which is exactly what you want to see from a supplement company. Now, what's actually in this powder? A lot, actually. You've got organic greens, mushrooms like reishi and lion's mane, marine collagen, probiotics, prebiotics, magnesium, vitamin D3, and blood orange polyphenols. It's also free from gluten, soy, dairy, artificial sweeteners, and added sugar. So if you're looking for something clean and allergen-friendly, it definitely checks that box. But here's where it gets interesting. User reviews. On Trustpilot, there's only one review so far, which is a little odd. But the good news, that one review is positive. On Reddit, there's a bit more conversation. One user said they've been taking it for a few weeks and feel a subtle energy boost, not jittery or hyper, just a calm, steady feeling. They're not 100% sure if it's the powder or a placebo effect, but they're planning to stick with it for a while and see what happens. Another user, though, wasn't super impressed. They started using it in early May, missed a few days here and there, and by the 25th, they were almost out, even though the product is supposed to last longer. They didn't feel much of a difference and weren't sure it was worth the price. So, what's the verdict? Terra Mare Morning Restore looks like a legitimate wellness brand. They've been around a while, their ingredients are solid, and they're doing things right in terms of transparency. But as with most supplements, results will vary. Some people might feel the difference, while others might not notice much, especially given the higher price point. If you're curious and have the budget, it might be worth giving it a try, especially since there's a money-back guarantee. But if you're looking for dramatic overnight changes, you might want to manage your expectations. That's it for today's review. If you've tried Morning Restore, I'd love to hear your experience. Drop a comment below, and if you're into honest reviews about trending wellness products, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you don't miss the next one. Catch you later.